So these are my ZSTs. You can flip it over. It's made from Shenzhen, China. And we're gonna crack it open and see what's inside, the contents. Alright. There's two earbuds, there's pieces, and there's a wire. So let's give it a listen and see how it listens. So in medium volume, it sounds pretty clear. You hear the attack and sustained release hitting pretty hard. It's pretty full, but you put it in max volume, you can't hear it. It looks like this. You can see it closer. So you can actually take it off, like it comes off, and there's like little holes. Closer, more light. It's kind of blurry, but there's little holes up there, and then it doesn't matter where you orientate it, it'll still work. Plug it in. I don't know, but it sounds like it's like in phase or like reversed in phase. But these are really good for musicians because you hear the kick drums really quick and the strums. It's like there's a lot of highs and lows. The mids are kind of lacking, but it might be because of the earpiece. But it sounds pretty good because this has dual drivers. It has like one driver for lows and one driver for highs. So it's missing the middle one. So it needs probably one more for the middle because majority of music is lows, mids, and highs. But for like a lot of vocals are mid, and guitar is mids. So it's lacking that department. So can you mix with this? Not really. This is more like for, well, it is an in-ear monitor, so you're supposedly gonna mix, but it really depends on the person's ears. And there's more expensive ones, obviously. There's like $1,000 ones. These are $20, but these are pretty good for like a first in-ear monitor. These have been around since like 1980s. But yeah, overall it's pretty good. $20, not bad. If you're like a musician on budget, it's good enough. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.